Materials and methods. Gerozium Ju 121, Juf University, Saudi Arabia, P. Elegandrum Ju 221, Juf University, Saudi Arabia, and T. Hartzianum Ju 321, Juf University, Saudi Arabia, were isolated from 25 agriculture fields distributed in Hoa Village, Sakaka, 29 degrees 48 in, 40 degrees 26-27 inches, Juf Governorate, located in the northern part of Saudi Arabia. P. Ostreatus muigri 1102, Egypt. Fungus was kindly obtained from the Ministry of Agriculture, Egypt, as a ready spawn grown on grains of sorghum. Afterward the spawn prepared by subculturing the fungus on the medium of malt extract agar, was used, figure 4. Spawn of mushroom off. Ostreatus grown on grains of sorghum. OPC was obtained from an olive mill located in Sakaka City, Juf, Saudi Arabia, and used spontaneously after sterilization by autoclaving. Mushroom, P. Ostreatus, cultivation. Experiments were performed in a glass house, and 2 treatments were used, control plus 5 replicates. Subsequently, results were statistically arranged and all treatments were compared using Duncan multiple range test. 95% vermiculite and 5% gypsum were the only components of the control. Treatments were prepared as 95% olive press cake and 5% gypsum, dry weight. Substrate medium sterilization for cultivation of P. Ostreatus. Gypsum was added to each treatment and mixed thoroughly and then placed in a cloth bag. Autoclaving was done for 2 successive days at 121 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and left 3 days before use. The glasshouse was disinfected using sodium hypochlorite. The medium was replaced in big plastic bags in order to allow the manipulation of mixing the spawn with the substrate by thoroughly shaking. Subsequently, medium was inoculated with 5%, dry weight, spawn of P. Ostreatus. The bags were sealed tightly with a strong thread and punctured with a sterile metal screwdriver. Adjustment of culture circumstances. Substrates were incubated at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, under 80 to 95%, RH, humidity in the dark during starting days until the emergence of white mycelial growth. The colonized substrates were subjected to a cold shock at 5 degrees Celsius for 48 hours to stimulate the emergence of first flush. It is worth mentioning that ventilation was very important during the fruiting period, therefore, the upper side of the bags was opened. Precautions must be taken for the temperature to be around 25 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity was between 80 and 90% by watering the bags twice daily and placing vast water containers on the floor.